So hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. And today's video I will show you a project that's name is Voicely. And in this project you can record your professional voice. And the project is very simple and very useful for you. So this project only for educational purpose. You can learn about the media player and MediaRecorder. So in this what's in this project, so you can see the lots of options in the project. Here the simple interface, and here the three of buttons in the bottom. This one for start recording and pause recording, and this one for save recording, and this one for cancel recording. And here the one option to filter recording, and here the three dot option to more settings, and some more options. Inside the application you can see the code on create. This is working on Android 15, and here the imports, and the back logic, and inside the more block generate file name. This is logic, this is a logic for generate file name. And here audio recording options. So I added the code like this. I can make the more blocks by self, but it's can take too much time, so I directly paste the code here. If you want to create more block, you can simply copy the more block name and create by yourself. Here are the methods. If you want to change something, you can easily edit. So you can see here the MediaRecorder. I'm using MediaRecorder for recording a voice. It is a basic recorder, and I have added a more option list. So if you recorded the video audio, so the audio's file will be listed here, and you can play the audio recording from here, and you can preview and previews and next play audio from the list by clicking the buttons. And one more activity about here, the my about me and the application information, and the slash screen. I have added an animation from a custom library. I have added animation inside bottom. So I have also added animation here inside wave view. This is a wave view. I have downloaded the library from GitHub. Now I will show you how this app look like and how many features inside this app. So please wait. So the application is this, and you can see the interface is very simple and user friendly. And here the two options, reduce echo and reduce noise, and here the three dot option. You can check your recording files if you have, and you can go settings, and you can see the about page. And when you click the recording button, the audio recording is started. And here the timer, describe recording text, and you can cancel recording, and you can save, and you can pause also. Like this, I have paused and resume. You can see, and you can see the animation was paused when I click the pause button. So if I click the save button, the audio is saved, and easily you can see here the audio file is listed here, and you can click and play audio recording is started. And when you click three dots, so you see the more option, play with and play and share and rename, and you can delete the file by clicking delete. And if you have many files, so you can click next and previews to play previews and next files easily. Timer. So this is the application. I hope you like it. If you want to download the project, so check the description. I have uploaded the project inside my Telegram, and you can easily download this project from my Telegram. It is free. And thank you so much, and please like and share this video, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.